Today, we're making a French spinach and cheese quiche. For the pie crust, add 85 grams of butter, 140 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cold water to a food processor, and pulse until the dough comes together. Refrigerate the mixture for 3 minutes, then flour a board and roll out the chilled dough to fit a deep dish pie tin. Like so. Then, use a pizza slicer or a sharp knife to trim the edges neatly. Nice and tidy. Place your dough over a cooking tin. Press the dough in firmly around the edges and crimp them together so that it fits nicely. Trim off the excess using a sharp knife, but be careful. Poke the base using a fork so that the dough doesn't puff up. Cover it with baking parchment, then cover your dish with rice. This will hold the paper down. Freeze the tin for 30 minutes, then cook at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Now for the spinach and cheese filling. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 10 grams of chopped garlic, 25 grams of onions and 10 grams of chopped shallots. Cook these together, add 200 grams of fresh spinach, then set aside when done. In a bowl, add an egg, pepper, salt and 120 milliliters of heavy cream and whisk well. Take your pie crust, spread the spinach across the base and pour in the cream mixture in a thick, even layer that coats all of the spinach. Add 45 grams of blue cheese and 100 grams of parmesan cheese crumbled on top. Bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, and then the quiche is ready to be devoured. Just look at that cheese bubbling on top. Delicious. You can enjoy this dish hot or cold. Bon appétit!